Before replacing the NOx sensor, please make sure that the reasons for its failure are clearly understood to prevent the failure from reoccurring. It is suggested to perform the onboard diagnostics test to highlight any potential issues, such as a failed particulate filter, catalyst, turbocharger or AdBlue injection system. Carefully loosen the bolts holding the sensor body to the silencer and remove the connector plug and cable fixtures. Remove the sensor and heat shield from the silencer, then loosen and remove the sensor head nut and pull the head out of its seat. Make sure to write down the OE and Continental reference numbers from the backside of the old sensor. Both of them should match the reference numbers found in the DIN sensor specification. Unbox the DIN sensor, reinstall the heat shield and attach it to the silencer. Do not over-tighten the bolts. Carefully insert the new sensor head in the seat and tighten the nut to the specified torque using a torque wrench. Reattach the cable fixtures and connector plug, then turn on the ignition key and see if no OBD errors appear. Start the engine and let it idle for a few minutes to make sure OBD errors do not appear during operation.